Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to enroll in Autopay on credit acceptance. We will also put links in the description below for extended warranty and cheap car insurance programs. To start, open the website creditacceptance.com. Then click on Account Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Enroll in Autopay. Click on Enroll in Autopay. First, select a payment method. Then click on Next Step. Now, select a frequency, start date and plan end date. After that, click on Submit. That's how you enroll in Autopay on credit acceptance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.